Dear Yeye Mesho, the only Yeye Mesho of our time. Any other Yeye Mesho is a counterfeit. The only Yeye Mesho that we recognize in this city of social media. Please, Yeye Mesho, I want to discuss two things with you. And I hope you understand me very well. Like Yabo just said, no one should fight you. No one has been fighting you. Even from the onset, we are not fighting you. We just want you to make this social space a place to come and enjoy for you, for me, and for everybody. That is why people used to come for you. Maybe you will rest. And then now, we have come to know that 1 million of us, we cannot stop you. You are unstoppable when it comes to fight. I've done a show sometimes. I did a video that I was begging you, though I was making jests. But actually, the point I was trying to make in that video is that we surrendered because we know we cannot win you. So as it is now, I want to sincerely surrender. We, the good people on social media, we want to surrender. And we cannot surrender for you without asking you the offense Iyabojo committed against your person. The particular offense or offenses that she has committed against you. Not cursing on her and her family. But we want a situation whereby you will open your camera, dress properly, do your makeup as usual, and tell us straight. These are the offenses Iyabojo committed against my person that made me hate her so much. You now tell us, so time she did this, so time she did this, so time she did this, so time she did this. The offense, I guess, personally, that she did against your person, against your family, that made you hate her, that I believe is that she supported Fola Tinubu against your person. If I am right, that is the major offense that she committed against you, you are right. At least one would have expected Iyabojo to call you, possibly on phone, or send voice note, or chat you up when the time of the fight between you and Fola Tinubu was hot. That instead of just backing Fola Tinubu like that, and went to station and closed all the cases you have against her at the station, that you expected her to have called you and speak to you and beg you on Fola Tinubu's begged you on behalf of Fola Tinubu that Lizzy, please leave that lady alone. Let her be. Don't fight her again. Please, I have pity for her. Just leave her alone. Let her go. At least the husband is with you now. So leave her, because it will be as if you are using your influence and affluence to spite her. Maybe that is what you expected, and she did not do that. She just went to the station straight, and we do all the cases against Fola Tinubu. We do it against her and try to set her free. If that is our offense, she actually committed the offense. We will all blame her. We will blame her on your behalf that Iyabojo, you're supposed to have called your colleague instead of defending Fola Tinubu against her wish. And having told her that, we will also tell you that you supposed not to have taking Fola Tinubu to station here and there as you did. We'll give you your own blame. We'll give her our own blame, and peace naturally will start coming. So I want to say two things to you. So the first one is the one I have said, that you should tell us our offense categorically. Those that can be verified, the verifiable ones, those that we can investigate and ascertain. If you tell us, we'll blame her and we'll beg you, so that all of us can enjoy social media together, and you can come back to be the LIZZY that we all know and enjoy, the beautiful LIZZY that we know on this social media space, the entertaining LIZZY that we know, not the LIZZY today that we don't want to listen to in the morning, not the LIZZY that will come to social media or unclean. You go back to your own usual LIZZY. That's number one. Number two, that may look as insulto, as Joko Tade Mama Sita said, that you should start doing your show in English language. Honestly, as you see me, if I'm not in my place of work, I hate speaking in English language. When they saw Yoruba, because English language is not easy for me to speak. I don't know, for those of you that are grammarian, me, I'm a local woman. I love to speak my mother's tongue. I love to speak Yoruba language. I will flow very well if I'm speaking in Yoruba language, unlike if I'm speaking in English language. So it's easy for us to, but it's not easy for us to discuss or chat or do show in English language. So if you start doing your show in English language, that will reduce the number of times you come out. If you come out 4 times in a week before, voila, it will reduce it to 2 times. If somebody should mandate me to be doing my show in English language, or to be discussing whatever I want to discuss on social media in English language, honestly, if I come out 2 times before, I will reduce it to half, not even 1, because I hate speaking in English language. I love my mother's tongue, Yoruba. So if you start doing your show in English language, honestly, it will reduce the time and the number of times that you come out to do show for her or for whoever. And that will give you long life and prosperity that we all dream for you, that we all wish you. Honestly, it will reduce the duration of your show. It will reduce the number of times you do show. And it will give you rest. Start doing your show in English language. Tí wọ́n bá ní máa ṣe show ní òyìnbó nsìn, wàláhì mo lè má wà sórí social media, but torí wọ́n bá tí mo ṣe gan ó ní mi lára. Mo yẹ kí n máa sọ òyìnbó. So it will reduce the number of times and the duration, the period you spend on social media in doing show, in fighting.
Tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ẹ ti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí arábìnrin tí ó wà ní fídíò yìí tí ó ṣẹ̀ sọ tán, ẹ ti gbọ́ àmọ̀ràn yìí tí ó gba òṣèrébìnrin Lizzy Anjorin lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tí ó ń lọ láàrin òun àti Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Kí ni ó tí ẹ lérò lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tí arábìnrin yìí sọ ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa?
Honestly, it is not an insult. You are a good speaker of English language. You speak English language very well. And it fits you speaking in English language. But because it is a language that some people taught us, it cannot be like the language that is inborn to us. So it will reduce the number of times you do show and the duration of your show, and thereby reducing the number of times you fight. I'm serious, and I come in good faith. Please, we want you to go back to your own, to your previous LIZZY. This thing is not giving you the regard that you deserve. Please.